Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm little driver for Lexmark. This here for the printer. And if you need download, you click here for you type here for the driver download. And this or I'm search the VCL website for you. I'm like download the VCL website. The VCL website not a virus and easy to download for the VCL website. And this here for a VCL website. You click here and please watch, and this here for the printer, and this here for the feature of the printer, and this here for recommended mount pick volume download volume printer, and this here for the printer. Okay, and this here for the paper. If you need to download, you click here for the support, you click here for the support. Okay, click here for the driver and download, and this here for the detect automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Macintosh, if you make the operating system for the Linux, and if you make the operating system for the Windows 11, and this here for the detect automatic cure for your operating system, and this here for a driver recommended recommended for you, and this here for package the driver support printer and scanner, and this here if you need download, you click here for button download a package, download driver package, and this here for the firmware package for you, and download for the printer for the driver. If you need download, you click here for the driver, and this here for the operating system or operating system, and this here for operating system for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 11. Okay, if you need download, you click here for button start download, and this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and this what finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click. If you finish driver download, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. Is here for the tag automatic your USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.